So once you've assembled this and you flipped it back up, face up, this should be tight to the seam all the way. You won't see any gaps. And then what you do is you take it over to your wall, push it tight against the wall, and drop that 1/2 inch, and it should be mounted. That should be it for that part. Then take the base, sleeve this in, now this is the floor, so it will sleeve in a little tight, but you should be able to get by. It does cover up to this point. And there are arrows inside for mounting to screw to the wall.